A world swallowed by white clouds? Imagine waking up and finding your entire city has vanished. Not destroyed, not gone, but simply submerged under a thick, heavy ocean of white. You look out your window and see nothing but a featureless, swirling mist that stretches to the horizon. It feels like you're floating in a void, disconnected from the earth itself. It sounds like a sci-fi nightmare, but it is a documented, physical reality. How can the very air we breathe turn into a prison? Imagine a landscape where the ground simply disappears. You are standing on a mountain peak, looking down, but there is no valley, no road, and no forest. Instead, there is a vast, undulating sea of clouds, thick and impenetrable, hiding everything beneath it. According to meteorology, this shouldn't happen. We expect clouds to drift high above us, leaving the ground clear. But occasionally, the atmosphere flips its script. The familiar world is replaced by a silent, ghostly ocean that can trap entire metropolitan areas in total isolation for days. It creates a surreal, claustrophobic sensation, as if the earth has been hollowed out and filled with white silk, leaving only the highest summits as lonely islands in a cloud-filled universe. This isn't magic. It's a phenomenon known as a temperature inversion. Normally, air temperature drops as you move higher into the atmosphere. Warm air rises, carrying pollutants and moisture away. But during an inversion, the physics reverse. A layer of warm air settles over a layer of much colder, denser air near the surface. This warm lid acts like a physical barrier, preventing the cold air from rising. It effectively seals the ground level. Skeptics might wonder how air can just stop moving, but the density difference creates a stable, unmoving stratification. The atmosphere becomes a closed container, trapping everything beneath that warm ceiling, including moisture, dust, and every breath taken by the cities below. This phenomenon is far from theoretical. Meteorologists and satellite imagery from agencies like NASA have captured countless instances of this cloud sea. From the Great Smoky Mountains to the valleys of the Alps, the records are undeniable. We see mountain peaks protruding through a thick white blanket like the tips of icebergs in the Atlantic. These aren't just localized fog patches. These are massive, regional events. Weather stations in these regions document the precise moment the temperature inversion sets in, recording the sharp divergence in thermal readings. The visual evidence is breathtaking. A world where the geography we know is completely erased, replaced by a landscape that looks more like another planet than our own Earth. While the view from above is beautiful, the reality below is often perilous. Because that warm layer of air acts as a lid, it doesn't just trap moisture, it traps everything. Car exhaust, industrial smoke, and urban pollutants have nowhere to go. They accumulate, thickening the fog into a toxic brownish smog. In cities like Salt Lake City or Los Angeles, these inversions have led to severe, hazardous air quality alerts. The air becomes a concentrated soup of particulates. For those with respiratory issues, the cloud sea isn't a marvel of nature. It's a suffocating trap. The very atmosphere that supports life becomes a reservoir for the waste of civilization, hidden right under our noses. The temperature inversion is a powerful reminder of how delicate our atmospheric balance truly is. It shows us that the air isn't just an empty void, but a complex, layered system of energy and mass. As we continue to alter our climate and increase atmospheric particulates, the way these inversions behave could change, potentially making these traps more frequent or more intense. It forces us to look at the sky not just as a backdrop, but as a dynamic shield that can either protect us or enclose us. Understanding these shifts is vital. It reminds us that even the most massive, seemingly permanent structures, like the air above us, are subject to the invisible, powerful laws of physics. The next time you see clouds drifting low, remember, they might be hiding more than just a view. If the story surprised you, there are many more where that came from. Subscribe to Barely Believable for more truths that defy belief. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and follow Barely Believable. See you in the next one.